Hey guys, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's to come. Once you help us out, the Akwaaba Tea Salon will be right here on the corner of Barry and Lancaster. My name is Monique Greenwood, and I am the CEO, which is Chief Enjoyment Officer of Akwaaba Bed and Breakfast Inns. And Akwaaba means welcome, by the way. I started Akwaaba 28 years ago as a collection of bed and breakfast inns with our first location in Brooklyn, New York. Since that time, we've had at least 5 different inns in 5 different cities. I'm really excited because we get to meet people from all over the world and offer them a home away from home, whether they're traveling for business or for pleasure. But my new project is really a spin-off of what we do at all of the inns, and that's high tea. Our guests really look forward to the experience of being able to take a breath and take a sip and enjoy just a moment of relaxation over a nice pot of tea. So we're going to bring that experience to Philadelphia, right down the street from the bed and breakfast, where the Akwaaba Tea Room will be housed, and we'll be serving high tea. That's 3 trays with beautiful delicacies of savories and sweets. And the space is also an event space where folks can have their own private affairs in a lovely location. So we're very excited about it. So here you have it, guys. It's a big, beautiful space. It was residential before. We've already gone through the zoning process to make this a commercial space. So we're almost there, guys. Maybe a couple of more weeks here, a couple of more dollars from you, and we're gonna make this thing happen. We hope that you'll go onto honeycombcredit.com and invest in what we're doing, because an investment in Akwaaba Tea Salon is also an investment in you. Thank you so much. We can't wait to say Akwaaba to you when we open.
Can't wait to have tea
At the Akwaaba Tea Salon
in Philadelphia.